Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to remove duplicates in Excel. So we have a data of ID, name, column and date of birth column. So in this sheet, we can see that the name Shah Rukh Khan has been repeated 2 times. Similarly, Hrithik Roshan has been repeated 2 times. So we have to remove the duplicate names. So for this purpose, we will first select our data, then we will go to the data tab, and here we will select this option which is remove duplicates. We will click here, and we want to remove duplicates based on the name column. Basically we want a distinct name, so we will select the name column, and we will okay. And here a pop-up comes that says that 3 duplicate values found and removed, 9 unique values remain. So we will click here because 3 duplicate values have been found, so the remaining will be 9 unique values. So here we can see that our duplicate values has been removed, and here we can see that Hrithik Roshan is now written only 1 times, and also Shah Rukh Khan is present only in 1 column. I hope you have understood how to remove duplicates. So firstly, we will select our data. We will go to data tab and we will click on this option, and we will click that column on the basis of which we want to remove duplicates, and we will click OK. And thank you for watching this video.